you, let's start the new project. This is the calculator. Okay, so I hope everyone is ready to watch here. This video is making for all of you. Okay, so if you want to see this video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay beta, so now you have to look here very carefully. So this is project is calculator. So first we have to need about कि हम calculator में हमें करना क्या है, ठीक है. So calculator के लिए we don't need to any sprites here. So first you have to click here on the cross button and choose a paint. Okay, so this is the blank. Okay, so when you click on this and automatically this is sprite is one, this is which is blank, created successfully, and click on the code. Okay, so after that you have to click on the events and take in this green flag. Okay, is it clear to all of you? First you have to take on this green flag. After that we have to take on the from the control, click on the control and choose the forever. After choose the forever, we have to click on the sensing, and sensing choose the ask, and here we have to take on the what would you like to do. Okay, so it is your choice because everyone knows this is the project of calculator. So there is a suppose 4 operators. First we have taken plus, minus, multiply and divide. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. This line is clear to you. We have taken, there are 4 variables, you can see 4 operators, sorry, plus, minus, multiply and divide. Okay, so after that we have to take an if block. So it will choose from control, and this one is if block and taken this. Okay, so ये देखो मैंने जब इस पर क्लिक किया, दिस टाइप ऑफ ऑप्शंस, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू डू दिस, और ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएटेड हेयर. ठीक है, एंड नाउ वी हैव टू टेकन द कंडीशंस. इफ कंडीशंस हमें यहाँ पर लेनी होंगी. ओके, सो इफ इन इफ कंडीशन वी हैव टू चूज द ऑपरेटर्स, राइट. सो क्लिक ऑन द सेंसिंग. सो सेंसिंग के अंदर आपको लेना है आंसर. We have to take in the answer. Okay, sensing, in the sensing click here operators. Okay, operators, click on the operators and we have to take on this. Okay, and click on the sensing answer. You have to set answer here, and यहाँ पर we have to set plus. Okay, and we have to do this we have to set on the this condition, right. Okay, so now we have to create it successfully. This is making for answer only for plus. ठीक है, there are 4 operators, you can see this. Yeah, this operators plus is made first. Now we have to click here duplicate. ठीक है, and this if condition, and again we have to create duplicates and set here, and again duplicate, set here, right. And now we have to change here. This is for minus, this is for multiply, and this is for divide. Okay, is it clear? I hope it is clear to all of you. These operators we have done successfully. They are taken 4 operators which is given to you. एंड यहाँ पर मैंने सेट कर दिया है प्लस माइनस एंड मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड. नाउ वी हैव टू टेकन द different condition for each operator, like this ki now suppose we have to taken for plus operator. Take the next variables, first number, second number and result, जिसमें हम result show करेंगे. So we have to click here on the variable and there is a option of make a variable, so click here. Now you have to type here first number and click on the OK. ठीक है, this is, you can see this first number is set here, and now again we have to click make a variable and the second number, click on the OK. Now we have to click again make a variable and this is for result. Okay, so click on the OK. Now you can see first number, second and third, sorry, result is successfully created here. Okay, give me your first number. What will you do? We have to click on the variable, okay, and choose the set, this set and this one, okay, and there is a first number and click on the sensing and choose the answer here, and यहाँ पे आपको आंसर सेट करना है because whatever we have taken the first number, वो first number आपको सेट करना है the answer. Okay, after that this block we have to right click and duplicate, and this is for, यहाँ पर आपको करना है second number because if you want to do sum, so we need two numbers at least, second number, okay, and this is set and there is chosen the second number, right? Okay, and now after that we have to need about numbers. Now we have to set the result, right? So we have to click on the variable, okay, and click on the set here. You can see this set and this is for result, and यहाँ पर आप क्या करेंगे? We have to taken first number. First you have to click on the operators. For sum you have to taken this, click on the variable again. This is for first number. In first slot you have to put first number and in second slot you have to put second number, right? Right, and then this slots we have to add on this, on the place of this, okay. After that we have to click on the loops and this block we have to taken, okay, and click on the variable and this result we have to set here and you can add it here for 10 seconds, okay, and this slots you have to put on this, right? Now if you want to test here कि it is working or not, so first you have to click on this, okay, so click here. This is asking for you what would you like to do, so you have to text here. Suppose मैंने अभी प्लस के लिए किया है तो प्लस एंटर करेंगे and give me a first number, it asking to you and you have to write 10, okay, you can write anything, press enter, and then it asking again for second number 20, you can write and press enter. Now you can see the sum of first number and second number is 30, You can see this, there are 30. So it is working well. Congratulations. Okay. Now we have to write this code again for minus, for multiply, for divide. Okay. So there is a one thing you can this duplicate. Click on this, right click on this and click duplicate. So you have to set on this. Okay. And we have to come here like this. First number answer, second number, and this is for minus, so you have to take on this, and first number take out, second number take out, and variables, sorry, operators, in operators throw it and taken for minus, because second variable is minus now. So in the first slots we have to set first number, and in the second slots set second number, and this slots we have to set on result, like in this. Okay, so this is minus, it is going on from minus. So I hope it is clear to you, right? Now we have to check here, asking again for run, and asking for operator, so we have to click minus and enter, give the first number 8 and second number 4, and the answer is 4. So it is gives, it gives a correct result, so it is going on very good. Now we have to take in for multiply blocks, right? So again we have to right click on this block minus and click on the duplicate, right? And this duplicate block we have to set for multiply block. Now come downwards. Okay, so now again we have to click here, and this taken, this is for minus. Now we have to change for multiply, so take out first and second number, and this minus block you have to throw it and taken for multiply, right? So first slot may we have to set first number, and in the second slots we have to set second number, and set here into the result. Yes, this one set here. Okay, now check again the result is going on right or not. So first we have to click here and set the multiply operator, and 5 first and second is 6, so answer is 30. It is correct answer. So for this divide block we have to set again, जैसे हमने पहले ब्लॉक में किया था, set like we have to do same as. So this block we have to right click on this and duplicate, and this is set we have to for divide, right? So come downwards, and this is for multiply. Now we have to change, sorry ये मैंने सारा ही ले लिया. Now we have to take on this plus, sorry, this multiply, and take out first number, second number, and this multiply, throw it and taken the divide operator, and first number in the first slot, second number is in the second slot. This divide operators we have to set this result into this portion, you can see this, and now I think it is also give the good results and correct results. So now I have to check, and divide operator we have to tick on this and click on the this one, and okay, first number is 6 and second number is 2, so answer is 3. So it means it is correct answer, and this project is done. Okay, so if we want to ask again, suppose I want to ask about plus, so write plus here, press enter, and 66 first number, Second is 77. So answer is 143. So this answer is correct. So I hope it is clear to all of you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. So bye bye, take care, God bless you.